Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Passport Bro, back with another video. Guys, I'm currently in Nashville. I just got here with the family and my girls and hanging out with my family. So I want to make this quick video because as always, I have to make a video every day and I like to do it after the markets close. So as always guys, this is not financial advice. You do this at your own free will. This is just a way and a guide to help you, motivate you to get to the next level so you can do better than I'm doing right now and make this money. Okay, guys? Channel is doing great. We're on our way to 1,700 subscribers. Before we get to 2,000, as always, guys, you know it's the goal to get to 2,000 subscribers. And we are doing great. I appreciate you guys watching the content, sharing the content, and we're gonna get to the next level, right? I see some motivated people in the community as we build this community. And as always today, guys, it's a red day. It's a red day. You see Microsoft red, Nvidia red, Microsoft is red, right? It's Facebook, Meta is red, Cisco, Tesla, they went down a little bit at the end of the day, but it's okay. We make money regardless. And guys, we're gonna look at some crypto. Crypto is coming back, okay? Well, it didn't go anywhere to begin with, but Bitcoin is coming back. All right, and Bitcoin is at 96,000 today. Ethereum is at 3,600, killing it. All right, Solana's 240, went down a little bit, it's coming back up. That's just what it is, guys. All right, so you see the bubble right here. We're not gonna take too much on here. We're trying to make this video short and sweet. Bitcoin is 3.9% up today. Ethereum 8.8% up today. Those are I hold those too. I hold some Solana, which is up 5%. Do what you gotta do. All right, guys. So in the actual portfolio, you can see we are doing great. We are doing great. This portfolio with margins is about 90,000 in crypto. It's about $90,000 in this portfolio. Let me move myself out of the way. I like the other view. All right. So this is the other view, right? 92,000. So we did do something today, and this is, I think this gain is in crypto, guys. Well, you got to understand, a lot of times when I'm looking at these videos, I'm looking at this for the very first time because I usually don't. I check my positions and stuff like that, and I keep it moving. So a lot of time when you see me making these videos, I'm looking at this for the very first time. So when you see me, when you're watching this video, like you're watching it for the first time, 90% of the time I'm seeing this stuff for the very first time. And of course I've been driving for the last 6 hours, so I haven't had a chance to review my portfolio. And so a lot of this stuff I'm looking at right now, and I'm looking at it for the first time. So Misty went down a little bit, went up a little bit. So we gained $1,000 back on the 11 grand that we're down. And then my crypto went up a couple of $1,000. So that's good. Overall, everything is good. I put in some buy order today, and I'm not sure if it went through or not. And I was like, man, I hope this sucker went through. But let me see. See, it didn't go through. So I tried to buy some Tesla in here. That's today, right? Yeah. No, that cannot be. This says 3 p.m. But it don't have a date. So I don't know. I think it's what's a date. But I didn't do this at 3. I did it about this morning. I don't have a date on here. It said the 4th. 4 hours ago. So that didn't go through. And I put a deposit. I put some more money in the portfolio. I'll try to get more Misty, more Tesla, right? Try to get it to 1,000. But I just wait. I guess I'll just wait until Friday to buy. And that's where we are right now. So, guys, you know, you got to remember, right, to like and share the content. Remember to subscribe. We got a lot of people that watch the content that's not subscribers. You know, I need all of your help to get to 2,000 subscribers. So do subscribe to the channel. And guys, I'm not at home, so usually I have, you know, I got two 32-inch monitors that I use, and I can have things in other screens that make it easy for me to do my business. All right, so at the beginning of the day we were down, and I was like, oh man, we're gonna lose some money. But I mean, I did put in some buy order. I don't know if it went through because my cash it went down. It went up actually. So I put in some orders to buy some Tesla. No, was it Tesla? No. What did I buy? Let me just check it. History. I damn look at the wrong thing. There we go. So I got some margin interest. Okay, some stuff that was reinvested. Oh wow, this guy they paid me a lot. $1,700. I mean $1,600. I have 4,000 shares of this stuff. Um, and I'm down. I think like 2,000. I was gonna sell this. It is there reinvested, right? And that's the price. That's a lot. Reinvested shares. So if I start pulling money out of that, that would be good. Um, and I sold in this portfolio. I kept in the other portfolio that was from yesterday. But as you guys can see, whatever I put in the buy order today didn't go through. So, like I say, I look at this stuff because sometimes if I'm at home, I have a chance to look at it. But if I'm not, if I don't have the time, of course, I can't go there and look at things. Um, and sometimes I can take a look at it, a few minutes before I start the video, so it make it easier to give you guys accurate information. But right now, we're looking at this together, and I'm looking at this. It's like I sold that, and it said reinvested dividend, right? Reinvested shares. So that's pretty much dividend, and that's the price 1,600. So, I mean, this week, it's like a lot of the buys and so and stuff. But this week, I mean, it's a lot of dividend coming in, right? That's from last week, so we can count that. So from the 25th, will be considered this week. And it's like sometimes, you do things and you want to do certain things and it don't happen and you're like, oh, I wish I did this, I did this. That's one of the things I've been trying to sell that, right? And I went and bought more. I went and bought more of that in my portfolio, and now it's bringing in $1,600 a month, even though it's down. I mean, $1,600 a month, yeah. They pay every month. I believe they pay every month. I need to double check that. And now, they're generating that much. No, let me go back and check this, because this got me like they got me shook. Come on, man. There you go. That got me shook, y'all. I was like, man, what? That thing actually paid me some money. You guys see right here, I got 4,000 shares of this thing, right? And I'm down 2,900, right? And if it's continue to go down, I'm gonna buy more because I need to help with my work with my cost. The cost I got right now is 225, and it's down to 155. So, I mean, that's almost like a 75. That's almost like a 45 cents different. So of course I'm gonna buy some more um, to get that down. So maybe I need to buy another 3 grand or six, not 3 grand, maybe another $9,000 more to get my cost basis down. So another $9,000 more would double the amount of shares that I have, and I might just hold on to that. So if it give me 8,000 shares. 8,000 shares would pay me more than freaking 2,000 some dollars a month, 2,600 a month for this one position. So if that's the case, I might not be right, but I would check that later on. And tomorrow, I can't do nothing tomorrow, but because Thanksgiving. But Friday, I don't need to buy nothing else in this portfolio. I've been trying to get more Misty and more Coney, try to get them to 2,000. Alti, try to get it to 2,000. I think once I get these guys to 2,000, then I would take a break and start working on some other stuff. But by the time I get them to 2,000, you know, I would get over that hump to that $10,000 mark. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, and we got an increase here. This is a little off. This don't really update as it's supposed to. This is supposed to be 3,000 something in here for Fidelity, but Fidelity position is doing good. It went down, it went back up. You know, overall we're doing good, so I cannot complain. All of the data gains today that we gain in the portfolio is amazing. How, you know, things are coming along. Of course, we got dividend coming in this week, and you know, I can't complain. Life is good, guys. As always, like I said, this is just to motivate you guys. And you know, I decided to do this when I was down and out, when the portfolio was down and out, and you know, so you guys can say, well, Edwin only makes video when his portfolio is doing good. No, I make a video every day. When my portfolio is doing good or it's doing bad, I make videos. So you know, you guys can like it or don't like it, but it is what it is. And today is another day. As you guys can see, the income is at $286,707. It went up a little bit, right? A few $100s in one day. And hopefully, not tomorrow, I keep saying tomorrow, hopefully on Friday, I'm going to do a few things before I leave here on Friday to go back to Atlanta. And that way I can buy some positions, right? So we might be able to get this to 290. If we can get it to 300,000 by the end of the year, that's even better, right? That's great, because the more I know this number is all estimated, but the higher the number is, the better it is for the portfolio. That means the income is coming in, and we get into where we need to be successful. Okay. And you know, Charles Schwab, we just hit over 100,000 mark income. Fidelity, we over 100,000 mark income. M1, we over $380 mark in income annually. Robinhood, we have $47,000 in income. Now, I'm for certain after this week, because we're buying more positions, right? So we're buying most positions. After this week, we might reach 48,000. I'm not sure. We might reach 48,000 as I try to buy more positions and get the income up. And that's the goal. This number here is screwed. It's not right. This is not right. I understand if it was down maybe 12, but 18,000 is not right, because I know a lot of that have to do with crypto. And for some reason, the thing doesn't calculate my crypto properly. So it is what it is, guys. And the income, they're just the annual, and these are the monthly. So it went up a few dollars, and it's about to hit 30. So I think if I can get the right amount of positions on Friday, right? We're gonna if I can buy the right amount of things, we might be able to get more money coming in. But if not, if we end the month with $39,000, $39,000, I mean $29,000, almost $30,000. That's amazing. That's great. Overall, and next month we're at 26 across the board. So of course we're gonna be right back where we need to be. That's 10 and that's 9. So we like Charles Schwab is almost at the 9,000 mark. And this is all estimated, guys. This is not actual. It's just estimated based on what we collected so far. So this thing gives you an estimate of what you're gonna get. Fidelity, we're at 12,000, 11, almost 11.5. M1, we're at $30. So the goal is to get it up to like $40 mark before the end of the year. We might not, but it's still something. And we're working our way to get this to 10. We should be great. My daughter tuition is 20. It's like 24,000 a year. And I was just talking to her today to go to summer school to try to finish early. And she said, "Yes, Dad, I'm gonna try to go to summer school." But she want to do summer school in Atlanta. So I don't know if she'll be able to take online classes. But like I was telling her dad, I said, "Look, I'm gonna pay the tuition. You got to get the student loan to pay while I grow this income to pay the tuition. But once I pay the tuition, it's done. Everything else after that, money is mine." She started laughing. But I mean, we're growing this for her, right? And then after that, everything else is daddy. So eventually, I'm growing it for me too, because I might not have to wait for Social Security to buy my Lambo. It might be my Lambo fund. All right, y'all. So we go to my best tab that I like. The best tab. This is the tab that motivates me every day to do what I do. And guys, you see, as this go up a little smidget, this goes up, right? Now we're at $2.5 million in annual income. 2.5 million in annual income. I'm kind of talking low because I'm at my brother's house, and my family don't really know about my investments. In the beginning, I tried to tell everybody, and nobody cared. So now that I'm doing halfway decent, I don't feel the need to tell them. But my cousin did find out I was doing, and he asked me for help, and I told him what I could do to help him, and he said yes. And he said, "I'll call you on Sunday." He haven't called, and I didn't call him back because that's, I only help people that need help. Family, cousins, no matter who you are. Okay. And so 2 million. That's amazing. That's freaking ridiculous. 2 million. And now I'm looking at next year estimate. I'm like, man, if I'm making 2 million here, right? Well, I can be making $1 million next year in total income. That's just estimated, guys. Estimated, right? The value of the portfolio. Say the portfolio value would be at 1.4. I mean 1.4, 470, 400, $742,000, $100,000, right? 742. And my portfolio is not even like almost at 400,000 right now. Income. The income is over at 400,000. But that's next year. It'll be that much, right? 490,000 in income, and the value of the portfolio will be 740. So, but the next following year, the income will be $500,000, and the value, the portfolio will be at $1 million. So maybe I have to wait another year. I don't know, but I'm still ecstatic. I know I get talking about money, I get excited. My mouth is watering right now. But guys, I want to say thank you for sharing, for supporting the channel. I know it's late. I'm making this video late, but I have to keep my word and do what I said I was going to do. Tomorrow, I'm still going to make a video. It's going to come out earlier. I don't know what the video is going to be about, but I'm going to make a video tomorrow for you guys. And I might just go over something that might help. I might just do a video about the snowball, right? Guys, this is in the description of the channel. If you guys want to buy this, use my link below and buy it. Like I said, I'm making my own. I'm coming with my own. And it's going to be easier. Well, I won't say easier. It's going to be cool to look at. Like this one. This is very easy to use, but it's missing a lot of things in there. So, and it costs a lot to build these things. So it's not going to be free. There's going to be a free session in there, but I'm working on it. It's work in progress. Guys, support me as I give back to you. You got to give back to me too, right? Whatever way you can. It's not compulsory. Do it if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine, right? But do it because you feel like it's something. What I'm doing is helpful to you guys, and it's something that's a good tool that you're gonna need. Because these tools is helping me calculate my dividend, because I'm too lazy to use a spreadsheet. Even though I'm gonna use a spreadsheet come Sunday again, but I'm still doing it the easy way because it's worked for me. Okay, guys, stay blessed. Keep investing. Don't give up, guys. Don't give up. To all the new guys to the channel, welcome, right? I appreciate you guys, and you know, the what you call it is is about to get there. Okay, let me we got a few comments. I don't need to be showing people stuff yet. You guys need to sign up to the you need to sign up to the Discord. All right, I'm not gonna be showing nobody nothing. If you need to be in the Discord to know what's going on in the Discord, and we got some new people that's eager to learn, and these are the kind of people who want in the Discord that can help grow. And guys, feel free to respond and add some context to whatever you see in the Discord that somebody posts. We have to motivate each other, right? My job is to motivate you guys, and I want you guys to be able to motivate other people that join the community. It's a very small community of people who want to be here, right? That's why you guys join, because you want to be here to help people, just like I am doing. So make sure to motivate each other, and guys, you know, post what you got going on so we can know, so we can be able to look at it and help. I talk about my stuff every day, so if I'm doing something wrong that you guys think I need to improve, let me know so we can work on it together, right? And build together, because I'm sharing this with you and the rest of the world, but you are my core people that I talk to every day. You guys that send me emails, you guys that post in the comments, send messages, direct messages to the Discord. I appreciate all of those. Now, I'm going to stop talking too much. We're going to do this again tomorrow. You guys stay blessed. I love you guys. Happy investing. Peace.